celebrating his 45th birthday is our four-state hero. Brandon, number one, thank you for your service and a very happy birthday from all of us at KOAN.
All right. Happy birthday, Brandon, and happy birthday going out to Shasta Broyles, who is 1 year old this year in Granby, Missouri.
Run down to Carl Junction, and that's where Blake Tatum, sharp-dressed dude right there, celebrating his third birthday. Happy birthday, Blaker.
What a cutie there. Maddie Lance celebrating birthday number 3 this year in Pittsburgh.
Speaking of 3, Mia McCready. Like that jacket, Mia. Happy birthday to Mia in Chanute.
All right. Presley Nelson is 7 strong this year, celebrating in Parsons. Birthday was actually last Friday.
Easton Lofts, a 9-year-old. Happy birthday, Miss Easton. Love that t-shirt, kiddo. She's an Arma.
All right. Lily Carlskent is celebrating birthday number 9 in Pittsburgh.
How'd you get to be 9, kiddo? Layton High School, now 11 years. Oh, nice. Nice, Layton. Good get, kid. He's in Stockton.
All right. Damian Willard celebrating birthday number 16. A little throwback baby pic there. Looking cool in his shades and diaper. Can't forget
Mom and
the
Dad
binky.
got him good on that one, didn't they?
Yeah. 16 years old for Damian. He's in Arma, Kansas.
Eric Renner is celebrating his 17th birthday. Neosho Wildcat Pride for number 55. Happy birthday, Eric.
All right, Ethan Wheat is 18 years old this year. Happy birthday to Ethan in Parsons. Birthday wishes coming to you from Mom, Dad, Aiden, Landon, and the grandparents.
Couple of birthdays in Weir, and we're going to start with Hayden Wilson, celebrating number 19. Happy birthday, Hayden.
All right, Jared Watson in Weir turns 24 years old this year. Hope it's a great one, Jared.
Pretty cool when you got your own name on a truck like that. I like that. Speaking of 24s, Megan Westoff. Happy birthday, Miss Megan. She is partying in Parsons.
All right. Renee Roth turns 25 years old this year. Happy birthday to Renee in Columbus.
Hey, check this out. It was Sid's birthday over the weekend. Number 30. You think Jacob made the cake, or you think she had to make it herself? I'm just kidding. Happy birthday, Sydney. Have a great day. She's in Pittsburgh.
All right. And Ashley George turning the big 3-0. Hope it's a great one, Ashley, in Coffeyville.
In Webb City, Patrick Paxton celebrating his 33rd birthday. Happy birthday, Patrick, with love from the family.
All right. And
Now
we've
get
got...
this. I'm not done.
Okay.
See that little one on the left? That's Lila. Now Lila has a first birthday. So what do you think was more important to Patrick? Is Lila's. Trust me. I know dadding. I know how that works.
We'll do it. All right, Beth Hamilton turns 45 years old. Beth, happy birthday, Beth.
That threw me for a loop there. Happy birthday, Beth. That's good. John Flores celebrating the 60th birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. John. He's in Fredonia.
All right, Stephen McNamara turning 63 years old in Columbus.
Look at that picture with Steve and Jacob. That's too cool right there. Steve, you know we love to see you out and about, my man. I can't wait till we're done, with the pandemic, and we can get back to doing parades and outings, and that way I get to run into you all the time. I miss seeing you. So very happy birthday from all of us at KOAN. That dude is awesome right there. Peggy Myers celebrating her 65th birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Peggy.
All right. And Susan Phelps turns 75 years old. Looking great there, Susan in Pittsburgh. Birthday wishes coming from the Phelps family, Peterson family, and Steve's families.
Now, with love from all 6 kids and spouses, a very happy 94th birthday to Miss Marjorie Bailey. Marjorie, I hope you have a marvelous birthday. She is in Fort Scott.
Got a few anniversaries here for you. Kick it off from Parsons. Alan and Christina Grimmett celebrating 23 years together. Congratulations to the Grimmetts.
Well, that's interesting because you know who would have gotten married on that same day? That would have been Justin and Tanya Woolery. as they are celebrating their 23rd anniversary as well. Congratulations to Justin and Tanya. Oh, I wonder if they got a trip to Big Ed. They're in Thayer.
All right. Well, Gary and Lisa Sandberg are celebrating their 35th anniversary. They're in Columbus. Congratulations to the Sandbergs.
So I've got a special one here for Neil. I mean, all of our anniversaries are special. But this one is for Neil and Marcia Ball as they celebrate their 45th anniversary. But Marcia, I want you to know that there's a very special message that I want to pass along to you. And it comes from that dude on your left right there in that picture. Marcia, I am looking forward to the next 45 years. You truly are my treasure from heaven. Congratulations, Neil and Marcia.
That's so sweet. And let's see, we've got one of our four-state heroes celebrating an anniversary with us. Dennis and Rita Graham from Cherryville, Kansas. 50 years of wedded bliss together. Congratulations to the Grahams.
Great picture as well. Don Braden, happy birthday in Fredonia. Paul Grant is celebrating in West Mineral. And Tim Ellsworth, a happy 67th in Parsons.
All right, we've got Paula Eller celebrating in Pittsburgh. Casey Strickland turns 41 in St. Paul. And Jeff and Tammy Graham are celebrating their 8th anniversary in Stark, Kansas. Their anniversary is over the weekend.
Now, we talk about Hayden Wilson there. Well, Lori Wilson is Hayden's mom. A happy 46th birthday as Lori celebrates in Weir. And then Mary Riggin had a birthday over the weekend. A happy birthday to Mary in Pittsburgh. And Michael Unlahake. Happy birthday to Michael in Miami.
All right, Daryl Broomfield turning 74 in Fort Scott. George and Kathy Buckner celebrating their 48th anniversary this year in Webb City. And Roe and Frosty Parsons are celebrating an anniversary in McKeown.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMnewsnow.com/birthdays. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.